Good afternoon and welcome to the Mullen Automotive Special Meeting of Stockholders. I would now like to turn the conference over to David Michery. Please go ahead.
Good morning and welcome to the special meeting of stockholders of Mullen Automotive, Inc. It's now 9:30 a.m. Pacific, and in accordance with the notice of meeting, I call this meeting to order. My name is David Michery. I am the Chief Executive Officer of the company and will serve as chairman of today's meeting. Also present are Tony Cordito, the Inspector of Elections, and representatives from our outside counsel, Manat Phelps and Phillips, LLP, and our proxy solicitor, D.F. King & Company, and Broadridge Financial Solutions, the vote tabulator for this meeting. As an agenda is available on screen at our meeting website, no questions will be permitted as this is not a forum to present questions or comments. We will begin the meeting by confirming the presence of a quorum. Tony Cordito has been appointed to act as the Inspector of Elections for this meeting and any adjournments thereof, and has taken this oath to faithfully execute his duties as Inspector of Elections. Tony, please present the Inspector's report.
Thank you, and good morning. I present for the record an affidavit has been delivered attesting to the fact that the documents related to this special meeting, including a proxy statement, a proxy card, and a prepaid postage envelope, were mailed on or about November 25th, 2022 by Broadridge Financial Solutions to all shareholders of record as of November 21st, 2022. An amendment to the proxy statement was published on December 16th, 2022. The official list of stockholders of the company and the number of shares entitled to vote as of the record date of November 21st, 2022 has been certified by the company's transfer agent, Continental Stock Transfer and Trust Company. As of the record date, shares outstanding and entitled to vote totaled 1,659,097,754 shares of common stock, 1,925 shares of Series A preferred stock, 1 share of Series AA preferred stock, and 1,211,757 shares of Series C preferred stock. There were 0 shares of Series B preferred stock outstanding as of the record date. The number of votes entitled to be cast is set forth in the proxy statement and amendment. Stockholders who returned proxies authorized each of the persons named in the proxy statement to vote on the proposals before the meeting. Pursuant to the company's bylaws, the presence in person or by proxy of holders of at least 33 1/3% of outstanding capital stock entitled to vote constitutes a quorum for the transaction of business at this meeting. The Series AA preferred stock does not count towards the establishment of a quorum. Present in person or represented by proxy today is more than 33 1/3% of the company's outstanding capital stock, and therefore, on behalf of the Board of Directors of the company, I declare a quorum present, and the meeting is duly convened for the transaction of business properly before it. I will provide an exact count of the stockholders present or represented at this meeting by proxy and will submit a formal report in the certificate that I will deliver after the meeting.
Thank you, Tony. The Inspector's oath of office, certified list of stockholders, and affidavit together with the notice of meeting and proxy statement will be filed with the minutes of the meeting. We will now proceed to the business properly before the meeting. We withdrew proposal number 3, which was the reincorporation proposal, on December 16, 2022. Proposal 1, 2, and 4, which are respectively to approve the reverse stock split and authorize share increases proposals and the NASDAQ listing rule 5635D proposals will not be voted upon today. In accordance with our bylaws and in light of the vote and importance of these proposals for consideration by all of the stockholders, Only Proposal 5, which is approval of adjournment of this special meeting to a later date or dates, if necessary or appropriate, in order to solicit additional proxies if there are insufficient votes to adopt Proposal 1, 2, and 4, or to reestablish a quorum will be voted upon today. All shares of capital stock of Mullen Automotive, Inc. and are represented at the special meeting of stockholders of such corporation initially conveyed on December 23rd, 2022 by one or more proxies granted to the undersigned are hereby voted in accordance with the instructions that appear on such proxies regarding proposals number 5 on the corporation's proxy card. If no instruction was provided on the proxy granted to the proxy holders and/or to the extent the proxy holders have discretionary authority to vote such proxies, the shares represented by such proxies are hereby voted in favor of the proposals to adjourn this special meeting. Therefore, I hereby adjourn this meeting. This special meeting will be reconvened on January 19th, 2023 at 11 a.m. Pacific for the sole purpose of voting on Proposal 1, 2, and 4, which are respectively the reverse stock split proposal, the authorized share increase proposal, and the NASDAQ listing rule 5635D proposal. You may use the same internet link that you used today to attend to reconvene the meeting.
The conference is now concluded. Thank you for attending today's presentation, and you may now disconnect.
Now, what I gotta say about that, guys, what I have to say about that, it was some bullshit. Once again, guys. Once a fucking again. Oh my God, bro. So now we gotta wait until January, huh? What you guys think about that, man? I think that was just a low blow move. We've been sitting on our edge of our seats for this day, for them to just tell us, oh yeah, we'll do it in January. Dude, I'm pissed. I am pissed. I'm pissed, guys. I want to know your thoughts. Comment section below. Live chat. Let me know, guys. Bullshit, right, Marv? Not again, man. Like, guys, how you feel about that? Them pushing the... Oh, my God. Them pushing it back. Hold on, let me get the camera up. Media source. Where we at? Display. Oops, not that one. We're looking for video capture. There we go. All right, guys. I honestly can say Mullen strikes again. Honestly, guys, that's all I can say about that. This is something that we have been waiting for quite some time. We wanted to know what's up with this reverse stock split. All right. Disappointed, guys. I am disappointed. So, as you guys see here, seeing that meeting is over. It lasted every bit of 7 minutes. And we don't see a huge fluctuation in the share price off of that. But a lot of people are suggesting that Mullen stands a chance to actually reach the dollar without the reverse stock split. Me personally, at this rate, nah, guys. Mullen, I don't know what to say. I'm speechless here. Caught me off guard with this one. Buy puts. Little AR-15 says buy puts, guys. Well, right. At least it's not bad news, right? That you do have to take that into consideration. It's going under 10 cents. I'll average down. Under 10 cents would be devastating. We got until January. What was the day again, guys? January 6th? I forgot. What day was that? I forgot, guys. Let me know in the live chat below. What day did they just push it back to again? Deanna, me as well, man. David is really getting under my skin. It's always the CEO that ruins things. But looking here, let's check out the tape really quickly. $19, I believe. Every average down is more money for this clown. You right. That's why I was saying, guys, I would just wait until after the reverse stock split actually takes place because, again, Mullen hasn't been keeping up with their dates at all. Like I said before, I had a feeling that the IGO was going to be a disappointment, and it was. It was. I'm trying to give them the benefit of the doubt. He's looking up for his ass and his ass only. Um, Huge volume just in this minute alone here. Okay, let's check those numbers really quickly. Yeah, heavy ask is rolling in. The ask is controlling right now in Mullen here. As far as Mullen though go, guys, next year, my feeling for Mullen next year, guys, like they said, production is sped up. Should we hold them to it? It's really hard, man. It's premature news. That's all it is. Premature news. Mullen likes to drop out on us, um, and it doesn't work out like that, guys. A lot of these other main big companies wouldn't release such news that Mullen does until things are actually inked and done. But Mullen is trying to play with those PRs just to fluctuate the share price enough. Before says typical CEO, you got that right. Average down and hold. Sean, the investor, says he got the moves for us, guys. He says average down and hold. What else are we looking at here, guys? Even though that this is a Mullen video, overall car manufacturers are down here today. But looking here at the overall market, guys, Amazon, I got my eyes out on this thing, guys. Amazon did hit that 52-week low here yesterday. Hit it again at $82 here again today. But I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below, guys. How do you feel about Amazon at these prices? Do you think Amazon stands a chance to see $100 Q1 2023? So we have to vote again in January for Mullen. Yes, 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 yes. January, once again. But it's looking gruesome, guys. It's looking gruesome. It's a CEO. The CEO is in the way right now, guys. I don't know what numbers games he is playing, but it's not gonna keep working out like this, guys. Every deadline or day, I come with disappointment. What's up with Tesla? Let's check it out. Tesla. I was just about to make a video on Tesla, guys, but this sprung up on me that I should run this. But Tesla. Let's check out the 15-minute chart. We should be making a recovery from that low, but let's go back to the day chart. As you guys see here, we have been riding that lower strike here for quite some time. Since the 12th of December, we've been riding this thing to the downside. And a lot of people are saying that with this recent high short sale activity going on here in Tesla, because it's a lot. It's a lot. Numbers I haven't seen ever in Tesla, guys. As you guys see here, let's go back to these days, guys, when we were just averaging total short volume around these numbers. Day in and day out. Nothing crazy. Now, guys, look at the total short volume that we are receiving here on a consistent basis here in Tesla. A lot of people are saying as though that this may cause the mother of all short squeezes. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. But since Elon Musk has acquired Tesla, there has been huge short sale activity going on here. And not since Elon Musk acquired Twitter. Sorry about that. We have been seeing huge short interest in the play, as you guys see here at the chart below. Huge spike in short interest since he acquired Twitter, guys. And shorts are comfortable, very, very comfortable currently short Tesla. Now, the real question is, how low can Tesla go? I do see Tesla actually falling under $100 at this pace. If you take a brief look and check out the position cost distribution here, it is just looking bad, and it gets worse day in and day out. Profit ratio only stemming in at 4.48%. It is a bloodbath. Once you enter, if you're not selling short, then it's more than likely you're getting tossed. But as you guys see here, the profit ratio, cool. Gruesome here on the 21st, not even clicking 1%, guys. How long can Tesla keep this up? I do believe that the only thing that is really going to turn Tesla around, Elon Musk has to put all focus back on sole purpose of Tesla, guys. Focusing on everything else is only a distraction, and the numbers don't lie. Also, a lot of shareholders are starting to get weary. A lot of people said this was a cult style following, but even cults in, right? But let's check out our interpretations of indicators. It looks great on that as far as a turnaround, but we do not see one at all in that buying pressure. It's just not there. It's just not there. I do see Tesla may just fall under $100 at this rate. But also, guys, I want to take a brief look at APE. Okay, this thing just jumped crazy, huh? This was since, yep, the very moment that we started the live stream, this thing took off, guys. The very moment the live stream started, this thing jumped 33.58% gain just in 21 minutes alone. Strange. I missed that one, but it's all good. Let's get this here. 15-minute chart. Yeah, this thing took off 20 in 20 minutes. See the intraday here. Yup, huge spike. But was that due to? Nope, no market movement either. CACO, yeah, that thing just jumped. APE jumped yesterday as well. So that I don't know if that are they done raising that equity, guys. I'm not sure. I didn't see anything about it. I don't know if they hit their target on that yet. But once the closing of that, we may see a quick shift in AMC share price, though, for anyone that is playing AMC. Also, AMC has been getting hammered across the head recently, guys. These last 2 days of trading, thanks to APE. Like I said before, APE may become the death of AMC. Who knows? Also, well, let's see what else we got here. KAL made a quick nosedive after its reverse stock split. We've been seeing a lot of reverse stock splits. The only reverse stock split that really panned out pretty well was BTB, if you ask me, guys. Just looking here at the day chart, as you guys know, since after BTB's reverse stock split, pitting 4 consecutive green days on the board is something we don't tend to see pretty often. Far as the recent reverse stock splits, a lot of people have been saying as though that their trading platform didn't allow them to sell their existing position. They were only able to sell the position that was bought after the reverse stock split. I know Fidelity had a lot of that going on. I don't know about we will also had something like that going on here in BTB. COSMs, I think Fidelity had a problem with that one as well, guys. But here on Momo, I didn't run into that problem. I was able to actually sell my existing position. So anyone that is concerned about that, make sure you try them out. But BTV, like I said, though, we tend to not see stocks pull reverse stock splits like this. But this, we got to take into consideration, guys. This is a crypto style play. And to see it performed like this in how the crypto markets is reacting is quite strange. We may be seeing a vast drop here pretty soon, a quick and vast drop, especially if you see a volume hike. Here, let's see, 100K yesterday, 140.73. Volume has came down quite a bit since the reverse stock split for sure due to the fluctuation in price and that share float, but we're seeing extreme inflow here today on that small scale. Looking here at the day, though, like I said, guys, BTB. We were playing BTB a few weeks before the reverse stock split, actually. Like I was letting everyone know, this is one of those penny stocks that you do not want to overlook. And since then, guys, stock has made phenomenal gains. SMMT, let's check that out. That thing did make a shift to the downside following the market trend here today. We're sitting at 384. Alerted this thing at 390 here today. We're starting to see a nice little fluctuation. Things starting to slow down, I see here, guys. We did come across that consolidation phase here. Shout out to Donnie anyway. We're inside that 398. SMMT. Still in that lower region, but we're on the 1. Let's check the 15. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in, guys. It really do help the channel grow. So whenever you come across one of my videos, for all you loyal subscribers out there, don't forget to smash that like button. It really does go a long way. I really do appreciate that a lot. Let's get this intraday here. Where we at? $3.84. Let's check around those marks really quick. Whoa. I do see some active heavy sales here. Hey, $3.83. Okay, it looks like we're gonna tail up real quickly, but back and forth. Seems like as though that we may be closing around this $3.88 levels here. No feelings. What's good, my guy? Jumped in the building with the DFV emoji, right? It's DFV guy. What else out there, guys? Throw something at me. XPON. Do you guys believe XPON is done? It looks as though that it is. XQer been seeing some crazy movement lately, ultimately turning around from today's pre-market high of that 217. That did, in fact, trap a lot of money, guys. Let's look at this position cost distribution here on today's trading. Position cost distribution on 1606. Well, it's better than Tesla's, right? But check this out, though, guys. We do see weak areas amount, stock pull higher, concentrating position, more moderate stock price flows. Now, the way this stock just dropped here, let's go to the 15-minute. The way the stock dropped here, we do see trapped funds, a lot of trapped funds here in XCUR. How about CEI cores? Daily trend, Mullen moving, a little AR. Mullen moving off of the bullshit news we got today. Let's see. We're overbought on the 5. Looks good on the 15. One thing I noticed though, guys, a lot of traders tend to only show the interval that looks bullish. I try to stick to the same ones. 5, 3, 15. Sometimes I look at the one when I really want to get a very accurate and precise assessment on something. What we got here? Mullen is moving though. Let's check out the tape. Ooh, we see some fat orders roll again. 12K ads. Heavy active buy at the 24-cent levels. Looks like we're about to be crossing that here pretty soon. Heavy active buy across. So Mullen stock. I mean, not too much to get excited about here, guys. I'm really waiting for the next shareholder meeting, I guess. Unfortunately, even though I don't want to buy any shares until after the reverse stock split, them actually putting the reverse stock split vote a little bit further, because they really didn't have to initiate it until September, even if they did vote it, okayed it today. But at least I would have known. Now, we may see a fluctuation in price leading up into that next one, and I might miss the boat on that because, oh my God, man. CEI, Core's daily trend. We're going to look at Core's really quickly. And then we're going to check out CEI for my boy Jeff. Core's on the daily trend. We're sitting in that lower canal here on the Bollinger. Let's check it out. Let's get this out of our way. We set new lows. Higher lows here. Last 2 days, that looks great. We're in the lower region though. Slight concern on that. Yesterday, we do see some very, very high short sale activity. Share prices was only 8 cents. For 72% change here yesterday. There was a huge retracement from yesterday's high as well. CRZ cores may be seeing those 15-cent levels here. I think we may be crossing that mid here next week. And of course, Captain. Yo, Jeff, want to check out CEI. CEI seems as though that this thing may be doomed. It popped off of the reverse stock split news, but after initiating it, boom. Not really going to look at the SAR trend here due to the fact that after this reverse stock split, it would take this thing to actually drop under 26 cents here on the day to actually see a SAR flip. So that would be an inaccurate reading. CEI. Let's check out what we're looking at. HUDI. HUDI, you know, these things just, plays like these is only a one-time thing. You know, these things tend to not pop again. HUDI had its time, if you ask me. I don't think this thing is actually going to see any huge movements here pretty soon. One thing's for sure about a stock like this, it does have a reverse stock split coming later down the line. I'm talking about a year or two from now, guys. This stock maybe be facing reverse stock split issues. Maybe before that, but HUDI is over with. All right. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for checking out today's live stream. Also, be looking out for today's video updates. We're going to be taking a brief look at COSM. We're going to be talking about Mullen, of course, and a few other plays, guys, that I do believe is going to see an upcoming bull trend here early 2023. So make sure you guys check out that video, and may the gains